What's up guys, this is Akash. Today I want to talk about an oil called ginger mineral oil. That's and I've been using it for like few months. Does it work? Where you could get a best deal out of this and how to use it. And I got it from eBay and I have the description below. They're selling it about $7 on eBay right now. So when I first got it and I was looking, a lot of people say, oh yeah, it's good. So I said, let me try. It's only $7. There's nothing wrong with it. So what I do, everybody says they use it like daily, every day, but I didn't use it every day. I used it like every other days, but like before taking a shower, like use it like this is how the bottle looks like. This is how it's gonna look like, but that cap comes out like you could just push this so you get some in it. So it's not a big bottle, but it's like $7. It's good for probably a month. So what I noticed, like in few days, your hair, your existing hair, whatever the hair you got, it grows really fast. It is true. If you use it every day, definitely it's gonna grow a lot faster. But I don't know if you're gonna have a new hairs. But some hair, if you notice that it grows really slow, that's gonna get a boost. Definitely gonna get boost, and it's gonna grow a lot faster. So that's a good thing. So if you have some thin hair like mine, and if you want your hair to grow a little faster, so I think this ginger is no chemical in it, so just ginger. So I got the description below, the link, I have it in my video in the description. So definitely you could check it out. It's on eBay and they're giving free shipping. So this is something, I'm using it for months now. I just order it again, just get extra bottle, it's in it. So that's mean this is working for me. That's why I just got extra bottle. It just cost me $7 on eBay. So not that many product out there you could say works fast, but this does work. I hope it's continue to work faster. So if you like the video, please like the video. Again, I have the link below. Check it out. Thanks. Bye.